You wondering how to watch Prime Video free on iPhone? In this video, I will show you how to watch Prime Video free on iPhone using official and legal methods, how the free trial works, and how to activate it safely using the official and real link in the description and pinned comment. If you want to watch Prime Video free on your iPhone right now, click the official and real link in the description and pinned comment. That link takes you directly to the official Prime page. Let's start with the legal way to watch Prime Video free on iPhone. The main method is using the official Prime free trial, if available for your account. During the free trial period, you get full access to Prime Video, including movies, series, and exclusive content. Here is how to watch Prime Video free on iPhone step by step. Step 1. Click the official and real link in the description and pinned comment using your iPhone browser. Step 2. Sign into your Amazon account or create a new account. Step 3. Check if a free trial is available for you. Step 4. Activate the free trial. Step 5. Download the Prime Video app from the App Store on your iPhone. Step 6. Log into the Prime Video app and start streaming. That is the safest way to watch Prime Video free on iPhone. Always use the official and real link in the description and pinned comment to avoid fake websites or unofficial offers. Another important tip: Prime Video free trials may not be available for accounts that already used a trial before. If you are not eligible, the page will show the current subscription price. It is very important to avoid illegal streaming apps or websites claiming to offer Prime Video free on iPhone. These are unsafe and may compromise your data. The only legal way to watch Prime Video free on iPhone is through official free trials or verified promotions. If you decide not to continue after the trial, you can cancel before the billing date. Always review the billing details and cancellation policy on the official page accessed through the official and real link in the description and pinned comment. Let's summarize how to watch Prime Video free on iPhone. Use the official free trial. Activate through the official and real link. Download the official Prime Video app. Avoid unofficial streaming apps. If you want to check your eligibility and start watching Prime Video free on iPhone today, open the description and click the official and real link in the pinned comment now. That is the safest and most reliable way to get started.